Okay, our next mission is to regrout this tile in the bathroom. And I've already taken the grout out between the cracks, a lot of it, so that we can put the new stuff in. I'm getting ready to regrout it right now. Just wanted to show you guys the difference first. Okay, we're back, and I just wanted to let you know that I did call a contractor up. They came over and looked at the tile. He gave me a price of $450. I went to Home Depot and picked up a bag of grout. Cost me 14 bucks. And here we are. The grout is done. All we got to do now is let it dry. And then we're going to put a couple of coats of sealer, grout sealer on top of that. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We cleaned up all that grout. It was quite a bit of work because you literally have to scrub those tiles to get that extra grout off of the tiles. So we're about ready to go to the grout sealer process. And basically what we have to do is we have to put 3 coats on this shower floor. I've already let this floor sit for almost 3 days so that grout could cure up. But the sealer's next. After the sealer, we're going to be caulking around all the edges. So we'll be back. It's looking pretty good so far, though, I'll tell you that. A lot different. Okay, we're back, and this job is finished. So anyway, we basically put 3 coats of sealer on that tile grout. And all you do is you spray it on and you wipe it off. You wait 20 minutes before you apply the second coat, and another 20 minutes before applying the third coat. And as you'll notice, I did caulk around all the edges. So this job is finished. We'll be back with the next mission. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.